how to download and install Xero accounting software. So if you want to download and install Xero accounting software, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And once you're on your browser, you need to just simply go with search and search for Xero accounting software. Once you've searched, you need to go with www.xero.com, and you may have a download option right here. But if you don't find it, you can just simply go back and then add download right here. So Xero accounting software is a cloud-based application, meaning there is no traditional desktop software to install on your computer. Instead, the process is focused on setting up your account online and configuring your business financial data. You access the core software through a web browser. However, Xero also offers companion mobile apps for Apple iOS or Google Play Store. You can just simply go and download from their respective app stores. That is either the App Store or the Google Play Store. So in order to use Xero accounting software, you can go with the application, or you can just simply go with the official website and use the web version. Just go with login, which will be in the top right. But if you don't have an account, you can just simply go with create account and you'll be able to create your account. So just enter your information and then go with login. After that, you can use your account. Or once you've logged in, what you can do is just simply go with the three dots, which will be in the top right, and then go with cast, save, and share. And here you will have an option of install page as an app. You need to click on it and click on install. Now it has been installed as an application. So you can go back, and as you can see that here you will have the application. So that's how you can download and install Xero accounting software. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.